Hey, what's going on everyone? If your iPhone is not vibrating, I'm going to share with you some awesome tips and tricks on how you can fix this. So the very first method that I recommend you to try is to actually go ahead into the settings and to ensure that the vibration setting is actually turned on, as there's actually a few different settings that does allow the vibration motor to be turned on. So the one that I would recommend you to go to first is actually to go into the accessibility, which you can find in the settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And now I'm going to scroll down to accessibility. Now once I'm in here, I want to scroll down to touch. And then if I scroll down a bit further, we now have the vibration. So I just want to go ahead and toggle this on, which will be highlighted in green. So now if that's fixed our iPhone, I can now go to the silent mode button on the side of the phone. And I can now toggle between this. And if the vibration is now on, then that means we have now fixed the vibration motor on the iPhone device. So another really awesome fix you can try is to again go into the settings. And once you're in here, you want to scroll down to sounds and haptics. And then you just want to ensure that vibrate on ring is turned on and also vibrate on silent as well. So again, we can go back to the silent mode, and if this has fixed the vibration, then this should be vibrating whenever we turn this on and off as well. So as an extension of this step, while you're still in this area of the settings, you just want to go into ringtone. And once you're in here, you want to click on vibration. And then once you're in here, you can actually set the vibration kind of style that you would like for the phone calls that you receive. So by default, this is set to synchronized. However, you can go ahead and change this to your particular liking as well. And as an example, some of these, such as quick and rapid, the actual vibration, you actually can't feel it that much. So you can go ahead and set this to the one that you can actually feel maybe in your pocket or your backpack as well. So for this one, I'm going to set it back to synchronized, as this is actually one you can feel quite firmly in your pocket as well. Okay guys, so if none of these methods have worked for you so far, the next thing I would recommend you to try is to actually go ahead and hard restart your iPhone device. So much like when your computer or laptop is malfunctioning, you simply just want to go ahead and restart it, and this should hopefully remove any temporary glitches or issues, and the exact same applies for the iPhone device. Many times if you run into any occurrences or issues on your iPhone, you can just simply go ahead and restart it, and this will resolve around 90% of the issues. So if you have the iPhone 6 or later, you can simply do a hard restart by pressing and holding onto the power button and the home screen button together for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts. And if you have the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you can restart your device by pressing the volume down and the lock screen button together for the same amount of time or until the iPhone restarts. And if you have the iPhone 8 or above, so the iPhone 10 and 11 and any future models, you can restart the device by pressing the volume up, down, and then the lock screen button in quick succession for around 30 seconds or until the device restarts as well. Okay guys, so if none of these fixes have worked for you so far, the last thing I recommend you to do is to go ahead and reset all of these settings on your iPhone. And just be aware, if you do go ahead and do this, this will reset any particular or individual settings that you may have had, and this will go ahead and restore these settings to the default that automatically come out of the box when you purchase your iPhone, but this will not delete any photos or apps or any contacts as well. So if you want to go ahead and reset all settings, you can do this by going into the settings icon, and then you can scroll down to general, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom to reset, and then you just want to go ahead and press reset all settings, and then you just want to put in your passcode to confirm these changes. And once you do that, the device will go ahead and restart, and then you should hopefully get the vibrating working again on your iPhone device. So there you have it guys, there's a few awesome tips and tricks on how you can get the vibrating motor to work on your iPhone device. So if any of these fixes and solutions have worked for you, please share what you did down below, as you'll be helping many other iPhone users out there as well. So as always, thanks for watching, I'll see you all in the next one.